Hello there, I'm Farmer Phil, and I just wanted to give you a little tutorial on how to grow a nice bed of dandelions. Now you might think it's not easy to do, because if you do a little Google search, dandelion seeds are hard to come by. But I have found the key, and in just a couple of weeks, you too could have this. Look at that luscious bed of dandelions. I mean, come on. I didn't even fertilize. I didn't even weed this thing. And look at this beautiful bed. Bring the camera over to this side. Now what I've got over here, your guess is as good as mine. I don't think these things have even ever been named, but look at this beautiful dandelion I've got here. Now the key, folks, focus in on me here. The key is, once you get a dandelion fully grown like this, you want to just leave it alone so it'll go to seed, and then it'll make more dandelions in your garden. I mean, I always say work smarter, not harder. So if you want more tips on how to grow dandelion gardens, just message me in the comments below and I'd be happy to help. That's it for Farmer Phil.